So with these joists, the floor joists, I have 5 to cut, and they're 4x6. So to get through a 4-inch beam, it's much better, actually it's much faster to have a bigger saw, have a beam saw. And so we're going to use Big Bertha here. For these joists, these floor joists, I actually don't have the best tool, the best recommended tool for the job. You can see my cut line here. This cut line establishes, this is actually sitting on its side right now. If I were to sit it vertically, it would be like this. This cut line is establishes the height of the floor joist. This sits in the pocket that you see over there that I've created earlier. So I'll cut along here. And then, to avoid splitting the log down here at what would be a critical 90-degree angle right there, if I just cut it at a 90-degree angle, there's the risk of it splitting. So to avoid that, I do a long taper. To do this taper, the easiest or the most recommended tool for the job is an adze. And I don't have an adze, so next suggested tool is an axe. But I'm swinging it, you'll be swinging it sideways, so not really sure how this is going to go, but I'm gonna work it out very quickly. These were a second floor joist. Making them pretty, making the bevel clean and smooth, probably with a belt sander or something, would be really important. Or a very sharp adze would be really important, but not for a first floor that will never be seen again. I think the center floor joist, which is a kind of a structural part of the floor, the other 4 floor joists just drop in, but the center one is structural and you pin it in place. It's actually too long. I was really worried a little, halfway through the build that I had cut it, about an inch too short. Turns out it's about a half an inch too long. So tomorrow when I come back, I probably won't film it, but I'm going to take 1/8 of an inch off of both sides, get into 1/4 of an inch off, see how it fits together, and then kind of just work at it from there. very pleased, despite the little tweaking that I have to do yet, I'm very pleased to get the floor done today. It was a different kind of build. I mean, chiseling, there is so much chiseling on those joists, on the bottom of them. I'm definitely going to invest in an adze. I don't need one right away now, but you know, when I'm doing my timber frame house up on the mountain, if I've got a second floor, I want those things to be beautiful from below. So I'm going to get an adze. Everything else, end of the day. It's another day here tomorrow for some tweaking, and I'm probably going to start on the posts tomorrow. So thanks for hanging around. It's been a blast. I'll meet you back here tomorrow or in the next video and see what kind of progress we can make with those posts. Cheers.